On the rational versus mystical spectrum, I mean, surely you'd have to be hyper-rational to be a doctor. Are you like all the way on the rational line, or where are you on that spectrum?
I think I'm somewhere in between.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm rational. I look for cause and effect, obviously in medicine. But I also know that there are things that happen that we can't explain. There are people who improve. You don't think they're going to improve, and they do, and they go on and they do really well. So I think that you have to look at a bit of both. And I think some people are more in touch with their spirit or their soul or whatever you want to call it than other people are.
Does your intuition help you as a doctor?
Yes, yes. Intuition is very important because sometimes you can get a sense from someone that they're not telling you everything, that there's really something else that's bothering them, that they just don't feel comfortable discussing maybe with anybody, but you hope that at some point they will bring that up so that you can try to help them. But intuition is very important. I remember when I was an intern and the patients would come into the emergency room and we had to run and evaluate them very quickly. It's called triaging, evaluate them very quickly. Yeah. And a young lady had come in and she had many bruises and abrasions, and she gave us a story that she had fallen, and it was a very complex fall story. And I was with my resident, and we looked at each other, and our intuition and also looking at her told us that something else was going on. And so we took her out of the larger room into a little private room, and we said, we can tell something has happened to you. And she started crying. Her boyfriend had been beating her brutally for some time, and she was in so much fear of him, she didn't know what to do, but she was with a friend, and the friend had seen how she looked and had brought her to the emergency room. So intuition is extremely important, and paying attention to what the patient's telling you can really help you a lot.